Hey everyone, welcome back to the ServiceNow store. Today we are diving into a game changer for troubleshooting your code using ChatGPT. Whether you are working in ServiceNow scripting or JavaScript or even any other language, knowing how to ask the right question can save you hours of debugging time. So let's break it down into the 7 simple steps to make your ChatGPT your ultimate coding assist. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and start. The first one here is always, when you are stuck, don't just ask, why is my code is not working, okay? Give a context to ChatGPT. For example, add a question like, what are you trying to achieve? What's actually happening, like the error message or unexpected output you have to provide that. And also, relevant part of your code you may provide. Instead of my API call failed, you can just rephrase that one by saying, I'm making a REST API call in ServiceNow using Glide Ajax, if you are doing that. But if you got a 403 error message, include that one. And if there are any outputs, and also what code you are using when you get a 403 error message, you can include that one as well. So these really provide a precise and actionable advice to the ChatGPT. Okay, that's the most important part. And moving to the second one is, we all know that nobody likes mess code, especially AI. When you share your code, make sure it is properly formatted, as cluttered with unnecessary line. Do not clutter it. And possible, provide a minimal reproducible example if possible. Okay, add that one. Which means if you have, for example, 300 line of code, just share those 10, 20 line, okay, where the issue really happened. This makes it troubleshooting way faster and easier as well, okay? And when you got this error message or debug message, and so you got to copy and paste those full error message, and you don't need to just say, it doesn't work. The error message often tell you exact what's wrong, and ChatGPT can really help you decoding that. When you got an error, you have to copy and paste the full error message. You don't just say it doesn't work. Okay, the error message often tell exactly what's wrong, and ChatGPT can really help you decode that. For example, if you see uncaught type error and cannot read properties of undefined, that's a big clue that an object is null. So the more detail you provide, the better solution you will get from that AI assist. And the other point here is, not all problems are just a syntax error. Sometimes it's about logic or environment or even dependencies. So tell ChatGPT by explaining what platform you are using. For example, are you working on ServiceNow platform, Node.js, or Angular, and so on? What have you tried? Okay, any relevant system constraint you can provide. As an example, you might say, I am running this in ServiceNow scheduled job. Okay, there's a difference. If you run something in a scheduled job or client side, there's a different scheduled job or a scheduled script, but it's not updating the record. Then you can ask, I have tried this and that, for example, current data update method, but it's still not working. Any idea? Then in this case, the ChatGPT can give you more solutions to work on and to provide you. Sometimes it might ask you a question, and then iteratively you'll get your solution help right there. Now, the fifth step here is, ChatGPT, the first answer may not always be 100% right, okay? It's an AI. It's not like human. It might give you incorrect answer for facts. So if sometimes it doesn't work, you need to reply with what happened after trying the suggestion. Even you can tell it, hey, this doesn't exist in ServiceNow. Can you bring the answer in related to ServiceNow? And then if you can also, the ChatGPT, bring you the correct answer. If you don't understand it, ask for a breakdown. They can, the ChatGPT can break down for you off. So think of it like it's a conversation, not just a one-time answer. You can just get it from there and then dump it from there, okay? That doesn't work. So I do not want you to just put there, and whatever ChatGPT provide you, taking as a correct is not correct. So you need to have a knowledge of understanding on that area, so that way you can get the correct answer, okay? Sometimes you are not just fixing a bug, or you are looking for a best practice, also optimization. So that way, in this time, you can ask, for example, what are the common reasons why this issue happened? How can I refactor this for a better performance? What's the best practice approach for this in ServiceNow? So these are some prompts you can provide when you are asking question in ChatGPT in related to your ServiceNow debugging strategy, okay? So ChatGPT isn't just a bug fixer, but it can help you write a cleaner or more efficient code as well, okay? So you have to leverage all the things there as well. Now, the other part here is once you get your solution, don't just copy paste. Hope that the best, okay? Don't just copy paste. Gotta implement, fix one step at a time, and use a console log, print the statement, and break down to check the result as well. You may sometimes, write that code, ChatGPT help you a little bit, run it in the lower environment before you even apply it in production environment. Run it, play it in your PDI, personal developer instance, and see if that is working. Confirm that each step work before moving to the next one. So this really avoid you creating new issues while fixing one problem as well. Okay, so in general, there you have the 7 pro tips to get you most out of ChatGPT for debugging your code. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification for more ServiceNow and coding comment. Let me know in the comment what is tricking code issue you have faced recently. Let us troubleshoot that together. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Happy coding. That was your Mohammed Rashid Kamal, certified technical architect from ServiceNow Star. Until
Welcome to the ServiceNow Star YouTube. Go to destination for all things ServiceNow. Whether you are a seasoned IT professional or just diving into the world of enterprise solutions, we have got you covered. From tutorials and tips to the latest updates and innovations, join us on this journey to master ServiceNow. Don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's unlock the full potential of ServiceNow together. Welcome to the ServiceNow Star, where excellence meets innovation. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining us. See you next time.